A very good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to be watching Tesla. It's gapping up above the weekly high that we made last week, around 444.98. And Tesla will be reporting delivery numbers on Thursday this week, according to Barron's website. Might be on Wednesday or Thursday, but yeah, Barron's website says Thursday. So yeah, might not do anything before that, might see a rally before that, might see a sell-off before that. All the three scenarios, right? And then that's why you need to have a game plan, but your game plan is as good as just a game plan if you don't know how to execute on that game plan and wait for your entries and exits and the playbook criteria and everything. And then we have NVIDIA. Actually, I like it on the daily chart. So NVIDIA and Tesla are going to be my main watch for the open. Then Apple is something I have my alert on it. If it gets near 257, we have all-time high, which is very near on the stock. It's somewhere around there, right? And you can't see it on DAS. Then we have Netflix. Had a bit of news, but yeah, not a big fan of it. It's bouncing as well, yeah. So Trump said that 100% tariffs on outside US movies, something like that. After that, the stock dropped, and now yeah, it's not looking too good. If this stock was, say, holding near 1185, then yeah, 1180 is a nice pivot, nice zone on the daily chart. But at the moment, near 1200, I think I'm going to stick with Tesla and NVIDIA today for the opening session. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Only two stocks for a Monday. End of the quarter is in 2 days. Tomorrow is the last trading day of this quarter and this month. And my OCD is just kicking in because the new quarter and the new month starts on a Wednesday, it's a good day, Wednesday. It's not Friday, thankfully. Wednesday is still decent. Monday is the best, right? If the new quarter, if the new week, and if the new week obviously starts on a Monday, but if the new quarter and a new month starts on a Monday, that is like perfect opportunity. Perfect, like it's a mental reset. Saying that, yeah, I'm just gonna put this recording on pause now, and I'm gonna start the recording again around 9:30 a.m. The market is about to open. I like NVIDIA for the open. That's why I switched my charts. NVIDIA is on the main screen because QQQ is dropping, but NVIDIA is holding. Tesla also dropped a bit. But yeah, NVIDIA is showing some relative strength. So let's see if we get some opening push on it. Hopefully we see a bit of a pullback. I just don't want it to rally right off the open. Let's see. Yeah, it looks really strong. Damn, Netflix. Oh, sorry, NVIDIA, not Netflix. R-wall is also high. Hopefully it continues. Damn. Tesla is also going. I'm in NVIDIA, it's okay. Damn. I think NVIDIA paid more than Tesla. Tesla premiums are so expensive recently that they don't pay that much based on percentage. What the freaking shit, guys? What the fuck? You guys saw me switch to NVIDIA right before the market opened, and I think that was a good decision. Tesla also moved. Both of these stocks game plan. I mean, if you were part of the Discord group, guys, you were prepared. We actually had a poll before the market opened up. I'm going to show you guys. So everyone was watching like Tesla and NVIDIA. So if you go back, Tesla and NVIDIA, Tesla 52%, Nvidia 38%. Both of these stocks were amazing. Nvidia is at R6 now. So the Camarilla Pivots video, which is the R6 and R3, is going to be coming out this week on Wednesday or Thursday. So yeah, most likely on Wednesday, but that is, guys, like a 25 minutes long video, and it's full of education. Like, I tried my best to make it as short as possible because of the attention lifespan of people. It's because of reels and everything. It's really bad. I wanted to keep it as short as humanly possible, but it was still like 25 minutes. But it's full of education, like back to back to back to back education. We have a doji at R6, but the volume is not that high on this doji. So I'm gonna hold this one, try to hold it. Yep. Okay. So we broke R6. Come on. Let me, please. I want this doji to just hold above this doji above R6. Damn. Dang. Fuck. What a Monday. What a Monday. What a freaking Monday, guys. I love my Mondays. If you're at a 9 to 5, you hate your Mondays. I used to hate not hate my Mondays. Depends on what kind of Monday it is. But this is freaking shit. Like, if you love what you do, freaking shit. Yeah, we held above R6, but on the 5 minutes, we might actually close under R6. Let's see. I'm on only like 100 contracts now, which is quite a big size, still 100, but compared to what I took, 400 contracts, 100 is not that big. So I'm holding 25% of my position, which is not that big. Yeah, I think we are in the right stock because Tesla, I don't know how much the premiums moved on Tesla. I'm going to check. But I think, choosing Nvidia was the wiser decision. I don't know. Yeah, it was a better decision compared to Tesla. Yeah, it closed under R6. Oh, what the fuck? My heartbeat. No, film me. Did not film me at the top. I'm gonna show you guys my heart rate if I can. 144, is it it's focusing on me. 144. 116 now. Yeah, it was 144. 115, which is still like, I'm resting. That's why fucking like people say trading is not healthy for you. Before the market opened, my heart rate was 140, like I showed you. Damn. Imagine taking 1,000 contracts on this. 100K straight up. That's why you need to have a game plan, and you should fucking know how to execute on it. Everyone can have a game plan. Anyone, like even a 5 years old 10 years old can draw two lines and say, if it breaks out above this level, buy it. Can you actually fucking execute? That's what matters. This is full-on squeeze mode. Ah, man, I wish I held my whole position. I had no reason to exit. This was how much? Like a 60K trade from $2 to $3.3, 400 contracts, 13 multiplied by 4, 3, 12, yeah, $52,000 trade. Damn. And I had no reason to exit. I mean, this doji was a good reason to take partials. But still, the risk to reward was like, say, 15 to 1 on this trade. My risk was a hold under R4, right? So that's why we are going to talk about this R4. Hold above R4 is the breakout zone. I actually talk about this in the YouTube video, which is coming out on Wednesday. So that is what I used, that YouTube video, to make this much money on this stock. So when you guys go back and watch that YouTube video, because it's recorded already, I gave you guys a few examples already. So if you guys are watching this video and if you guys watch that video, make sure to comment that I actually use the same strategy above R4 breakout area for this overdrive zone. Above R6 is called the overdrive zone. I use the same strategy to make I don't know how much. Comment on that video. Whenever that video releases, you have to comment. You have to comment so that I actually know you guys are serious about trading and you are actually watching all my videos. Yeah, I think a pullback to R6 is expected. Now the question is, should I take partials and add to my position? Yeah, I don't know. We might not get the pullback, so that's the thing. That's the question I'm asking. I can take like 30 more contracts out and then add on the pullback, add like 200 more contracts or something. Because these contracts are already in the money. Yeah, so we are going to see a pullback to R6. Now, I don't want it to close under R6 on the 5 minutes again. So that is going to be bad. If it's just a bounce from R6, I'm willing to add 155 calls to my position. Let's see. Yeah, that was actually a decent ad. We are about to close this 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna add here if it fills me. That's what happens. I saw it, this pullback on the tape. Let's see if it fills me or not. Yeah, it's not filling me. Ah, it filled me. Okay. So I took only 100 contracts here. Let's see, because this might actually close under R6 on the 5 minutes. If that happens and if you sell off, I'm going to exit my whole position. Yeah, this looks really bad on the 5 minutes. Yeah, it's actually going to close under R6. Freaking shit. Why? Go for all-time high. Come on. Yeah, it closed under R6, right under R6, guys. Like, so it refuses to hold above the overdrive zone, which I talked about in that video again. Yeah, I'm going to exit my whole position. All out of this. On the last trade, I lost like $1,700, which is completely okay. Yeah, it might, yeah. But yeah, that's the thing. This doji under R6. Yeah, so I won't take it again now. It's okay. It's okay. I stuck to my exit criteria. I stuck to my game plan. That's what you can do. Market can do whatever the fuck it wants. You need to have a game plan and you need to have the balls to execute on that game plan. That's it. That's how you make money in trading. So I'm going to keep it short, guys. I'm done because this closed under R6 and we are near some major resistance on the daily chart, major supply. And yeah, I mean, even if I take it above 183.5, I'm going to hold for a hold above R6. That's what I'm going to do. And even if I take, I'm going to take like 100 contracts. So my P&L won't vary that much. For now, I think I'm going to show you guys my P&L. And then if I take anything else, I'm going to pause this video. And if I take any, okay. Freaking shit. Yeah, that was... Yeah, the contracts I added, yeah, they are already up like $2,000 something. Yeah, insane. Still, yeah, I'm going to wait for this 5 minutes to close above R6. Before that, let's just divert our mind. I'm not going to enter at the breakout, not going to try to chase the breakout and fuck up my trade that I took. And yeah, so let's take a look at my P&L. It was a 10 minutes workday, guys. My last exit was at 9:40. Also keep that in mind. 10 minutes workday. 22.7k, $22 freaking $1,000 within the first 10 minutes of the market open on a Monday. Insanity. $22,000 multiplied by 1.5 is going to be approximately $33,000. And when I started working back in Australia, because I'm multiplying it by 1.5, because I had a full-time job in Australia, and when I started working, I used to make $40,000 AUD, Australian dollars, per annum in one freaking year. And now I made $33,000 AUD, 22,700 USD, in 10 minutes. In 10 freaking minutes. Yeah, it actually pushed up. Let's see. Yeah, so on the 5 minutes, we might actually close above the zone. But yeah, I'm not gonna take anything for now. Yeah, not gonna chase it. Not gonna chase it. Not gonna ruin a really good day. I stuck to my exit criteria. I won't blame myself for sticking to what my game plan and what my playbook tells me to do. The all-time high on the stock is 184.55. Yeah, it can go for all-time high. If we close above R6, looks like this candle is going to close above R6, right? So yeah, we are about to close 945 and it's going to close above R6, going to go for all-time high most likely. Yeah, strong close. Look at this 5 minutes close. Yep. One review, yeah, I could have given it a bit more room. Maybe my stop loss, I exited on this candle, which was actually the low, right? That's what happens. That's what happens. You don't exit right here, right? You exit right at the bottom, after which it pushes up. So yeah, QQQ is also going for highs now. It's going to help NVIDIA. But yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, the next YouTube video after the Cambrella pivots is going to be the neuroscience of trading. So I was recording that video this morning and I'm very well aware of what is happening in my brain. My dopamine is high and now it's going down slowly because I see that, right? I took one shot of something. My dopamine is high. So I took one shot of a trade because I'm a trader. If you're a drug addict, you know what I'm talking about. And that high is slowly coming down. So I see other person taking like 2 shots. That's what I'm seeing at the moment. So you feel that you want 2 shots. This is going into squeeze mode. Yep, live emotions, guys. Live emotions of a trader. No one, like, you can pay $100,000 to look at these live emotions. You still won't get those. These, like, what you see on this channel, what you freaking see on this channel, you won't get anywhere else. Yep, hurts slightly. I don't know what's happening with my internet suddenly. It's okay. Yeah, it's coming back. Yeah, I think it's gonna go for all-time high, but I don't see any entries now. If I take any entry, I'm gonna start this recording again, but for now I'm just gonna pause it. Yeah, I'm looking at this pullback. If I miss out on this pullback and if it straight pushes up, I'm gonna call it for the day. So you're gonna see it live. 185 maybe, yeah. Let's see. Not gonna enter right here. This is the break and retest of prior resistance on the one. This was the prior high of the day. That was a good dip. I want a bit more dip. Let's see. If we get it, it's okay. Otherwise, I made good money. 10 minutes work day. I can still mark it off as a 10 minutes work day because if I take a trade now, it's no longer a 10 minutes work day. It's a 20 minutes work day, depending on when I exit. Yeah, it's seeing some buying near this prior high of the day. A lot of break and retest traders, they are entering right here. Yeah, now if I see buying on the tape, I'm gonna try entering. So now I'm not like clearing my throat a lot because I'm much better. But still, I mean, sometimes it happens as a normal human, especially when you're trading, your heart rate is high. Last week I was doing it a lot because I was sick. I had a viral fever. I had viral. I was on bed for like 3 weeks. Yeah, 5 minutes, red candle on low volume doesn't look too bad. But yeah, the way it closed on the 5 minutes, not a big fan of it. Okay, it's pulling back actually quite a lot. I don't want it to give this kind of pullback. AMD is also squeezing. I just got an alert. 163.23 AMD. Let's see AMD. What is AMD doing? Damn. AMD is also squeezing. Yeah, if we don't reclaim this 183, I'm gonna call it. Yeah, 183 is getting sold for now. Try to reclaim back above 183, but it got smacked by the sellers. Let's see if 183 is going to be the line in the sand. A nice whole dollar level, psychological level. We close like a doji on the 1 minute. Is this a good entry with a stop loss under the low of the prior candle? 1 minute. But is it just like stupidity? That's what I'm thinking. Is it even worth it? Yeah, it actually made a new low. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it. Might as well. It might go to all-time high. I think I'm gonna call it. Yeah. So that was the entry, and had I held this position, yeah, freaking $60,000. It is what it is. But yeah, NVIDIA, yeah. Crazy shit. Even if it goes now, I mean, that entry, you can't beat that entry that I took off the open in front of you guys. 183 is getting bought back up. Just thinking, should I take it or not? Yeah, I think this dip is a good buy. No, cancel. Yeah, did not fill me. I think I am just taking a bit backseat because mentally I think I'm checked out. That's what I feel. Sometimes this thing happens after a big green day or big green trade because I'm just, more than making money, I'm more scared of fucking up what I made already. That's the thing. So I'm just not playing. I'm not trading to make money. I'm trading not to lose money, if you know what I mean, right? Because I'm green already. I took a nice trade, nice executions. So I just don't want to fuck it up, and that's why I'm being extra cautious. So that's why I'm not trading to make money. I'm trading not to lose money. So there's a big difference. Off the open, when I took this position, I traded to make money. So yeah, that is why I'm going to call it for the day, guys. Let's take a look. 22.7K again within the first 10 minutes of the market open. That's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Yeah, that was actually a good dip buy, but I'm completely okay with it. I'm just going to get off my setup now. Thank you for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe, watch that camera pivot video. And what is happening in my brain at the moment, I'm self-aware of it because I have told you guys that we will have a YouTube video coming out next week, which is going to be the neuroscience of trading. So that is going to be another video because if you're a trader, you need to be self-aware of your emotions. Sorry, I think the audio, 1 second. Now the audio is going to be better. So if you're a trader, I think you need to be self-aware of your emotions, self-aware of your body, and that video is going to help you a lot. So this video, Camarella Pivot, is going to be strategy. Based on strategy, I executed, I made money. But then after I exited, making this much amount of money, what was going through in my brain and why I stayed away from taking another position, that is because of the mental side of trading. So that video is going to be coming out next week. A lot of good videos coming out. The only thing you have to do, like, subscribe, comment down below, and comment in the camera pivot video as well. If you watch this video and you are like, okay, Jay used the same strategy to make $22,000 just 2 days ago, because that video is going to be coming out on Wednesday. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.